Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We were out here on a 2-vehicle accident. It's a car accident. Yes, I'm in the big truck, but I was the closest truck. So that's what we're doing. Hey, move some cones and bring that. Hey, move these cones and bring Matt in right here when he can.
Let's go.
Yeah, bring him in right here. Watch yourself, watch yourself. That way. He's coming right here. I already got your photos, dude. Just get loaded.
You did?
Yep, get loaded.
Oh, okay.
Honestly, it may be best just to go straight behind it, load it up.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. Just run up the road, come through, and then back up to it. A lot of debris. Trying to get it all rounded up here. Not sure exactly what happened with that car. That one over there got into it with each other. And neither one of them won the fight. It's a Honda CR-V and a Volkswagen Atlas. But like I was saying, I was right next to this wreck when the PD called about it. So I just came down the road here and went ahead and started cleanup while we waited on the rollbacks to get here. So, especially since this one's in the roadway. You better go help him. He's probably going to have a heart attack having to work.
Yeah, most part of it.
As a towing company, we're responsible for cleanup and restoring the road to its original condition. Headlamp's dying. Ooh, that's a chunk of axle. I thought that was a piece of plastic. Let me know when you're hooked, Steven. I'll help you guide it up. I don't know why I'm still carrying that. There we go, there's some more. You ready?
Yeah, you want to put me? I got some.
Here, I'll get it. I got it. I was just coming to do.
It's not definitely mine.
Wait. Hang on. All right. Go ahead. Loud noise alert. Do what? Yeah, I got one somewhere. Steven, you got a bag?
I do, yeah, stick box, stick.
Look at that. Shovel when you get a second. You know, I've told my wife that a time or two. And she says no. She laughed. She said, I'm better. Roadway, yeah. Steven, you want to pull forward and get out of the road? Keep this blocked off for now. Yeah, just run some right here. Right around our edge so nobody runs over our back. You want to hold the bag or pick them up? Yeah, look at you taking the bag. Yeah, well, that's your problem. That's what happens when you have experience.
You want to tell me how much of a problem it is for me? Watch this.
Well.
Look, I want some of that under that truck.
Pineapples, watermelon.
Don't get him started now. I'm surprised you didn't pack up and leave.
I thought he was going to hit me. Oh, that looks good to me.
Ugh. Mine. Yeah, it did. Let's go, these big.
It's good, fellas.
All right. Yeah, they'll fit. When I first picked them up, I was like, oh, that won't fit. And then it broke, and I was like, ah, I'm already over here.
I was in the shower when Matt heard that come across the scanner. I was like, ah, I can't even enjoy a shower.
Nope. I hadn't even been home yet. I was coming back from dropping one off in Calvert City.
Yeah, I know, I seen that.
Like that. See if Matt needs any help. Headlamp dead. Get that thing on charge.
That Michael bag would have went in there. It didn't have hard nothing in it. What you doing out here? Driving through?
No, they called me and asked me to stop and assess because we didn't get any vehicle information when it got dispatched.
Imagine
So
that.
they didn't know if one truck could get both or not. I saw this one was all-wheel drive. I couldn't tell on that one right offhand, so I just say call 2 trucks. So faster and easier.
You need help putting stuff up?
We're done.
Okay.
I just got to put my broom on my truck and I'm going home.
All right, we're going to pick our space.
Okay, bye. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment. Do not forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.